أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to the 8th part of our lesson series from the book titled Learn Tajweed with Ease. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. In this part of the lessons, we are going to discuss another concept in Tajweed, which is known as Iqlaab. 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 So Iqlaab means conversion. Iqlaab, conversion. It means to convert or to substitute, to make a replacement, to change. That is Iqlaab. When you replace Nun Sakina with Mimun Sakina, Mimun, you replace Nunun carrying Sukun with Mimun carrying Sukun. That is called Iqlaab in Tajweed. A reciter is expected to convert Nun Sakina or Tanween into Mimun with Sukun. You turn your Nun Sakina to Mimun carrying Sukun and read it with Gunna, and you read the Mimun with adequate Gunna, with deep Gunna, if there is Ba'un after it. If there is Ba'un after Nun Sakina or Tanween. And this is called Iqlaab in Tajweed. So Iqlaab has only one letter. That is Ba'un. Iqlaab has only one letter, Ba'un. You know your letters of Izhar. Know your letters of Idgham bi Gunna, 4 letters. Know your letters of Idgham bi Ghair Gunna, 2 letters. And know your letter of Iqlaab, which is only 1 letter. That is how you do it. To find it very easy. So Iqlaab has only 1 letter, which is Ba'un, out of 28 letters that we have in Arabic. Now, so now the examples of Iqlaab. Iqlaab. Okay, here are the examples of Iqlaab. Ba'un, just 1 letter. Okay, here is Nun Sakina. And the letter after it is Ba'un. We are going to turn our Nunun to Mim. That Mimun is carrying Sukun. So we are going to read it as Ambihum. Ambihum. That's how you read it. Here is another one. Ba'un appearing after Nun Sakina. So because of Ba'un appearing after Nun Sakina, you turn your Nun Sakina to Mim and read it with adequate Gunna. Now we are going to read this as Amburik. 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 Not Anburik. That is wrong. Okay, here is Tanween. You know I told us that the second symbol is your Tanween. So the second Doma now has been turned to Mim, which is Nun Sakina in Tanween. Okay, now we are going to read the Mimun carrying Sukun instead of Nun Sakina in Tanween. We read this as Sami'un Basir with adequate Gunna. Gunna means nasal sound. Sami'un Basir. Sami'un, not Sami'un Basir. Very wrong. Sami'un Basir. Sami'un Basir. That's how you read it. And this rule is called Iqlaab. So here is Ba'un appearing after Nun Sakina. We are going to read this as La Yumbadan. Now, this Nunun with Shadda. And you are stopping on it. Just apply only Gunna. La Yum. And this is your Iqlaab. La Yumbadan. That's how you stop on Nunun carrying Shadda. La Yumbadan. The rule of this nun sakina is iqlab. Why? Because of the appearance of ba'un after it. Now here is ba'un appearing after nun sakina. We read it as mim ba'de, mim ba'de, mim ba'de. Don't read this as min ba'adi, min ba'adi. Very wrong. It is more accurate to read it as mim ba'ade. I hope you understand. Here is ba'un appearing after tanween. So you know I told us that the second kasra is your tanween. Now you can see it here plainly. Now the second kasra, which is your tanween, has been turned to mimun now because of the rule of iqlab. So you now read it as zawjim bahije. Again, zawjim bahije, zawjim bahije. I hope you understand. So this rule is called iqlab. The rule of iqlab is applied when you see ba'un appearing after nun sakina or iqlab. You convert your nun sakina to mim, following the principle and the rule of iqlab. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. The only easiest way for doing this is to have all the letters of izhar in your memory, all the letters of idgham in your memory, and the only one letter of iqlab, you have it inside your memory. So whenever you come across nun sakina or tanween, think of those letters to know which rule to apply. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Kindly like the video, share it, and hit the subscribe button below. Ma'as salama wa ila liqa'in akhar.